Hello friend, welcome you to your own channel. So today in today's video we will know about Realme, Oppo, Poco, Vivo, Xiaomi handset. Due to the many comments on a handset, so it's known from the comments that there is a lots of locking complaints is coming. So in today's video I will tell you unlocking tips that you can unlock your phone sitting at home only without going to any service center, friend. So just you have to follow without giving to any service center, just you have to follow some simple step with me and you watch this video continuously without a skip video, then you will able to understand about this process very well. So this method is called offline method. So first we have to check your handset offline flight mode is activated or not. So flight mode is already activated, or you can, as you can say, flight mode is your handset is on flight mode. So now as you can see on your after swiping this, now you can see the emergency call button or your screen your on your handset. So this below this, so in screen interface you can see. So now you can see emergency calls button is here. So we have to click here, and now after coming this page we have to apply some codes, and this code is 56613 a star 14 and last one is hash. So now I'm going to zoom. You can take a screenshot, or you can note down these numbers. So you have to press your call button minimum 5 times. Minimum 5 times, you can go with the 6 7, no issue. So minimum 5 times. After completing this process, please erase these numbers, and you have to apply most important step, which is master unlocking code, and this code is a star hash 899 and hash. As soon as you apply this code and coming, we have to click on the. Now you can see engineer mode page is open. So now we have to click on the manual test given here. So after clicking on the manual test, you can see on the screen after coming self test calibration. So now you can swiping this and you can see sensor self test calibration is here. So press on it, and now you can see two option is there showing it, and both are operation not started. So click at the same time on the both the option. One have which have to fast. So apply this method till past. There are two options, gyroscope and accelerometer. Both are the operation not operated. Wait and watch till for one option passed. Again we have to apply, and now as you can see one option is completed. Text pass is coming. So come back and go in the last option, and this option is others option page, and now you can see 5 to 6 option is coming on the screen, and which we have to click on the database version 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. After completing this process, now this time to pass the home button. Press. Now we can check our home button. And first, before home button, please forward this process, and we skip this process. First we have to press 7 times database version on this here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. After completing this all this process, now we have to check our phone is locked or unlocked. So now it's time to press the home button, and we will see if any handset is lock, my handset is locked or unlocked. Now you can see our phone is unlocked as I earlier confirmed, without any help of desktop or without any help of service center. Your phone, you can unlock your phone sitting at home with these tricks. If you like the video, please subscribe and our channel and like it. See you again with the new tricks in the next video. Bye.